funny bunnies! Subscribe now!
He's Harry the bunny. He loves to be funny and play every morning when everything's sunny. When the morning comes to stay, he loves to play all day. He's the sunniest bunny. It's Harry the bunny.
I'm the funniest, sunniest
Harry the bunny. He's Harry the bunny.
Peekaboo! I see you! Hello, everybody. I'm Harry the bunny. I see everything with my two bunny eyes. I can do many things with my eyes. Wait, I'll show you. Like, look at my picture book on the table. Or watch a movie with Mommy and Daddy. Sometimes, when I'm sad, tears come out of my eyes and down my face. Gotcha! I'm not really sad. I was just pretending. I'm happy. Happy, 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 happy. Ooh. Wait. Don't I look super cool with my sunglasses on? I put sunglasses on my eyes when it's too sunny. My eyes are tired now. They're going to close and take a nap now. I think I'll join them. Night, night. Bye-bye, bunny eyes. Say bye-bye, Harry the bunny. Bye-bye, funny bunny.